So Korean don't like number 18, 18, because its pronunciation is very similar to swearing word, which means What's up, Kim Sam here, and this is Teacher Kim's Korean class, bringing you informative lessons twice a week. I'm uploading my video lessons like pronunciation, vocabulary, useful expression, and grammar just like this video. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. We are in a basic grammar curriculum and this is lesson 11. And from this video, I'm gonna be teaching you Korean numbers. To be honestly, Korean numbers are a big topic because in Korean there are two sets of numerals, Sino-Korean numbers and native Korean numbers. I'm planning to make 4 video lessons about Korean numbers in this basic grammar curriculum, and this is part 1. In this video we are gonna be learning Sino-Korean numbers from 0 to 99. Let's dive into it right now. Sino-Korean numbers are from Chinese characters. First of all, I want to introduce how to read Sino-Korean number from 0 to 9, which is very basic. 0 or 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9. Just pause the video for a while and try to memorize this Sino-Korean number 0 to 9. Basically, when you see Arabian numbers without any counting unit, you can read it as Sino-Korean numbers. Phone numbers are a very good example, I think. Phone number is 전화 번호 in Korean, and here's example 전화 번호. If you can read these numbers, that means you memorize Sino-Korean number 0 to 9 because the phone number has 0 to 9. The first one is 0, 0 and 1 and 0 again. 0, 1, 0. Most of Korean mobile phone numbers begins with 0, 1, 0. And next 4 digits are 9, 9, 7, 5, 5 and 3. And the next 4 digits are 4, 6, 2. And the last one is 8. Try to read again a bit faster. 0, 1, 0, 9, 7, 5, 4, 6, 2, 8. Don't call that number, nobody will answer. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to read from 10 to 99. Sino-Korean number 10 is 10, 10, okay? And here's number 11. You know number 11 is 10 plus 1, right? 10 is 10 and number 1 is 1. So with them together to read the number 11. 11. And the number 12 is 10 plus 2. 10, which means 10, 2, which means 2. So Sino-Korean number 12 is 12. In the same way, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And you should be careful to say 18 because its pronunciation is very similar to swearing word which means what the f. So Korean don't like number 18, 18, and 19 is 19. How about 20? 20 is 2 times 10. So we read Sino-Korean number 2, then read Sino-Korean number 10, 10. 20. 20 is 20. And 21 is 20 plus 1. 20 is 20. And number 1 is 1. We read it 21. In the same way, 30 is 30. 40 is 40. 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, Does it make sense? So can you read this Sino-Korean number? 74. 70 is 7 times 10. 70 and Sino-Korean number 4 is 4. 74 is right. Was it? Is it easy or difficult? If you feel difficult, I recommend you to watch this video again, and I will write down Sino-Korean number from 0 to 99 in the description below for your practice. In the next video, we are gonna be learning bigger numbers than 100, 100,000, millions, billions in Korean. Question of the day. Can you read this Sino-Korean number? Below. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. 안녕.